Jai Hind. On the occasion of Navy Day 2021, I reaffirm the Indian Navy's unwavering commitment to preserve, protect and promote India's maritime interests. Navy Day commemorates the Indian Navy's daring attack on Karachi Harbour on 4th December 1971. Navy Day in this Swarnim Vijay Varsh, the 50th anniversary of our decisive victory, the 1971 Indo-Pak War, is particularly significant. On this solemn occasion, we pay homage to the supreme sacrifices made by our martyrs, express gratitude to veterans, and rededicate ourselves in service of the nation. India's inherent maritime character and geostrategic position in the Indian Ocean define our status as a major maritime nation. As the principal manifestation of India's maritime power, the Indian Navy plays a central role in ensuring security and furthering India's national interests at sea. Over the past year, notwithstanding the unprecedented challenges posed by COVID-19, the Indian Navy's operational deployments have been bold, purposeful, and in support of national endeavours. The Navy contributed to the national effort to battle the pandemic and aid friendly foreign countries through provision of health care and aid. The Navy has also been at the forefront of cooperative engagements towards realizing the Honourable Prime Minister's vision of SAGAR, that is, security and growth for all in the region, by ensuring that the seas remain free, open, inclusive and rules-based. The Navy's efforts have acted as a binding glue, strengthening bonds with like-minded partners across the seascape of the Indian Ocean and beyond. The Indian Navy's operational activities are underpinned by a steadfast focus on capability accretion, which remains anchored in Atmanirbharta and Make in India. The Navy has nurtured our indigenous shipbuilding program since 1960, when INS Ajay, the first indigenously built ship, was commissioned into the Navy. We have traversed a long and challenging path in transforming from a buyer's Navy into a builder's Navy. Today, more than 130 warships and submarines have been constructed at Indian shipyards. Platforms across the spectrum, from aircraft carrier to submarines, stealth destroyers, frigates to corvettes, are all being constructed in our country, which is a matter of great pride for us. And of the 39 ships and submarines being constructed for the Navy, 37 are being built at Indian shipyards. This unyielding focus on indigenization and self-reliance plows back a significant portion of the Navy's budget into the Indian economy and accrues numerous downstream benefits like employment generation and upskilling the workforce. Our comprehensive engagements and partnerships with shipbuilding industry, MSMEs, ancillary industries and startups contribute to national prosperity while enhancing the Navy's capabilities. In all these endeavours, the personnel manning and supporting combat platforms remain our most important asset. Our men and women in white are amongst the most capable in the world and remain poised to go into harm's way to safeguard our national maritime interests anywhere, anytime. We are committed to developing our capabilities in an integrated manner to foster jointness, and this would enable the combined combat potential of tri-services to be brought to bear in a synergized manner. On the occasion of Navy Day, on behalf of all uniformed and civilian personnel of the Indian Navy, I would like to reiterate the Navy's commitment to safeguarding India's territorial integrity, maritime frontiers and maritime interests. As the sentinel of the maritime domain, the Indian Navy continues to maintain a close watch and stands ready to overcome any challenges that India may face. Thank you. Jai Hind. Shah Varun.